Go ahead.
Even get it set down, look.
Well, put it down. Come on, you turn the Snoopy off. Here comes Charlie. Get Charlie. Shake it up. Oh, Charlie's gonna get interested in it now. He's got both going. Oh, he says, that's all right. I'll get him anyway.
He doesn't like him stand him up.